Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
10वेक 1.5 वरांची बॅच. फुडल्या सप्तका सावन प्रॅक्टिकल सुरू करतले. पहिल्या दिसा 20% हाजेरी. ऑनलायन क्लासेस बरे म्हूण खंय PTA सांगता.
But nevertheless, on the first day we had just about 35 students who attended out of 179. And today also we have got almost the same number. We are trying our best to reach out to our students, but our PTA is of the strong opinion that in this pandemic situation, the classes should not be continued physically. They should be continued online. They were very happy with the online, although there were some connectivity issues. But they say that the health of their child is more important. Classes also should be continued. So if this online classes continue, we are going to have a big problem, because on one side, the teachers are going to be physically giving a lesson in class. At the same time, they will have to also give online. So our teachers are having a lot of problems.
फोंड्या कुटी हायस्कुलात फिजिकल आनी ऑनलायन दोन्ही क्लासींचेर भर.
Produce goods and services. So I have marked here arrow, goods and services. Now who is going to purchase or going to consume these goods and services? Household. Okay. So the firm produce goods and services and the household consume these goods and services.
We have doing both. In the class also, there is a scope for the children to those who are not well, those who feel that they can't come, they can view the things from the home only, how we were teaching online. So online and in class, both services are provided as far as possible. Definitely it is not like general classes, but still then it is manageable. Children should not suffer because of this situation. That is the precautionary measures which all of us should take.
म्हापशा हायस्कुलांनी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग पाळून क्लासी सुरू.
And we saw that the children also are following the guidelines and the instructions given to them, and all our staff members are very cooperative for smooth functioning of our classes.
पेडणेच्या हायस्कुलांनी 70-75% भुरग्यांची हाजेरी.
आता तितले प्रिकॉशन घेवन स्टार्ट केल्ले आसा. आतांच म्हटल्यार तशी भुरग्याची बॅग हिस्ट्री आमकां खबर ना. एक पॉझिटिव्ह मायंडसेट दवरून हे स्टार्ट आसा.
आज कशी जातली 53 भुरगे. आज पार्से सायडीचे आसले. पार्से तुले त्याच्यानंतर भाईडवाडा, पेटीवाडा या भागातल्यान सुकावाडा, देववाडा आणि लाईचे भुरगे असे सगळे 53 भुरगे आपले. त्याच्यापैकी 39 भुरगे प्रेझेंट आसात आणि 14 भुरगे ॲबसेंट आसात. त्यांना सर्वसाधारण परवाचे दीस असेच झाले की 40 भुरगे प्रेझेंट असले आणि 13 भुरगे ॲबसेंट असले. आज 39 प्रेझेंट असले, 14 ॲबसेंट. साधारण रेशो जर आम्ही पळोवंक गेल्यार 75% भुरगे प्रेझेंट आसात, 25% भुरगे ॲबसेंट. त्यामुळे टिचरांक एकच पोर्शन तशें पळोवंक गेलें जाल्यार 2 वेळा शिकोवचो पडटा त्या दीस, आणि दुसरे दीस 2 वेळा, म्हणजे एकूण 4 वेळा शिकोवचो पडटा. एक सब्जेक्ट तातूंतलो एक पोर्शन हो सध्या 4 वेळा शिकोवचो पडटा. एक दीस 2दा, दुसरे दीस 2दा अशें आसा. पण ताका इलाज ना. आमी हे सगळे अपेक्षीत धरलेले आसा. त्या पद्दतीन आमी टायम टेबलय केल्लें आसा. प्लस आमी आज पासून 11वीची लेक्चर ऑनलायन सुरू केल्ले आसा. त्यामुळे खरें टिचरांचेर बरोच लोड येयल्लो आसा.
आमकां बरे तशेन स्कुलान आपयले आनी सॅनिटायझर बीन दिल्लो आनी सोशल डिस्टन्स मेंटेन करून सांगले.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.